Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So let's get started with this video. Before getting started, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel for more updates. So now let's get started with the video. Yeah, you already know what it is. It's DIY jewelry kit. It's an absolute lovable thing for kids. I'm really excited to watch what's inside it. So let's get started. Here we go with the things, and these are the things which I have got. I'll show you one by one. It comes with different color and different beads also, but this time I have ordered this. They'll be giving with an instruction manual, and they'll give a elastic for making necklace, or you can make a bracelet with that. And the beads are also given, and also alphabets, and also the evil eye you have seen. In this kit I like the most, it was a butterfly. It's very cute and good looking. It costed me around 170 rupees. If you want the link, please do comment in the comment box. I'll share you the link. Friends, I was very excited, as I already told you. Whatever I make, every time when I try new things, I'll be very excited to make it, or try new things. It's artistic thing, right? I thought of making a bracelet, and I took letters of my name, and let's get started with it. Before getting started, firstly I designed it like how I want to make this bracelet, and later I started making with a, as I already told you, they'll be providing us with the elastic also with this. So with that elastic you need to join all the beads one by one. I wanted my bracelet to be in pink color, and with the pink color I had add a blue flower. That's it. It looks cool. And now I'm gonna join one by one. Don't cut the elastic before and join. Once you're done with all this, then you have to cut the elastic, and you have to tie a knot. I was not able to tie a knot properly. It's because the elastic used to come back whenever I used to tie a knot, and my mom helped me out to tie this. One mistake I made was I thought it would fit my hand, but later I got to know that I had made it too small, that it doesn't fit my hand. Later, anyhow, I was able to make it. Everything is like I want to share with you guys, so that you will also get to know how to do it, and you will also get to know the new things. So I feel very happy about that. And this elastic is actually of a very good quality. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more things like this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, all of you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.